Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making guacamole with totopos. That is a Mexican style avocado dip with homemade tortilla chips. This is so easy to do and it's delicious. Okay, so today I'm making guacamole and I have done this before. I've done this several times before, but today I'm gonna make my own totopos and I just have fresh ingredients. I'm excited. Spring is here, so that's what I'm making. So here I have 2 avocados. These are small avocados, 1 lime, 1 Roma tomato, a small piece of onion. I might not actually use all of that. I have 1 pretty decent sized jalapeño, and it's up to you how much spice you want in this. So if you want really spicy, serrano pepper is, you could use that. I have 1 clove of garlic. This is an average to large size garlic. And I have a bunch of fresh cilantro. So I'm going to prepare these ingredients, get it all chopped up, and we're going to mix it together. Okay, so I chopped all my ingredients. So now going in with my 2 small avocados. I'm going to put these in my bowl. You're just going to mash your avocado. You could also cut this into small chunks or large chunks and leave some of it chunky. So I went ahead and peeled my garlic, and I'm just going to put it through my little garlic masher, presser, crusher thing, and just put that right in there. Okay. Tomato, jalapeño, cilantro. By the way, for my cilantro people that taste soap, you can exclude the onion and cilantro in this, and to give it kind of like that leafy green color to your guacamole, you could add scallions, the whites and the greens of the scallion. Just chop it. That's also a good alternative. That's for my people that taste soap. We're gonna do some salt, some cracked pepper, and the juice of 1 small to medium lime. Now give it a mix. And that is it. This is your, I would say this is guacamole for 1. The ratios are forgiving. The tastes are up to you. Like I said, texturally, if you want things chunkier, then cut it into chunks and don't mash it. But here we are. Now, to store this, because I still need to make my tortilla chips, I'm going to add the pit right in the center and some cling wrap on top, because naturally avocados do oxidize. Even though you have the lime juice in there, you want to just make sure it stays fresh by the time you want to serve. Okay, store it in the fridge till you're ready to serve. Okay, so here I've been preheating my fry oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit is a good fry temp. So here we go. You'll want to fry these for about 3 minutes. Shouldn't take that long if your fry oil is the right temp. Okay, so these are turning that golden brown color. They're floating on the surface. They're crispy, crunchy, so that's about the time you'll want to start taking them out. And because the oil is so hot, they'll continue to cook once you take them out. So that's why you want to do it before they get too dark. Once they've had a chance to sit for about 30 seconds, you want to add some salt. And that's it. These are your totopos, or your tortilla chips. Okay, so here's my guacamole, my totopos, and ready to try some. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.